afternoon, Anant Rajukar, Krishna Maheshwari. So we have already started the lesson movement of Earth. Movement of Earth. Okay, good afternoon to all of you. याज्ञिक दखारे वंशिका साहब, नेहा गोटे, शेठालिया, सोनाक्षी त्रिवेदी, दीर्घायुष कृष्णा, रेवती काकड़े, अविनाश वड़की, मयूर वड़की, काम्या मडावी, ओवी राजूकर, लावण्या उनखड़े. So, very first question, depending on what we studied in earlier classes, the Earth we studied in last class shows two important movements. What are they? Yes, two important movements we can see in the Earth, which results in day and night, and which also results in the formation of seasons. First answer is given by Sonakshi Trivedi: rotation and revolution. Rotation. Okay. So first answer I got, that is rotation. Can you give me some example in your everyday life where we see this movement? Shreyashi Dali, can you give some example in your life where you see this movement? One answer I got, I will draw that figure. That is Krishna has given. Okay, movement of the blades of the fan. Okay, very correct, Krishna. Other example you see in your everyday life, apart from movement of the fan, this is very common example you see every day, that is rotating. Okay, apart from that, yes, Shreyash Shidhari has given the next, that I will draw the diagram here. This is fan that shows rotation. Other, this is axle. On axle we will find these rods are there. On these chairs are fixed. What Shreyash Shidhari has given, that is merry-go-round. Okay, merry-go-round is also example, good example of rotation. Okay, here the blades are rotating. The chair, they are showing different type of motion, that is circular motion. But here we will find the blades are rotating. Then apart from merry-go-round and fan, which other things you see in your everyday life that shows this movement? Merry-go-round, okay. No, Earth, Vanshika Sai written Earth apart from which you can see. Earth is moving, rotating. Evolutionary motion. It is also showing evolutionary motion, that is evolution. Okay, it is moving in elliptical orbit around the sun. No doubt in that. But can we feel that? You give me such example which you see in your surrounding. Spinner. Spinner means, okay, that wavelet or that toy. Spinner. Lattu कहते हैं इसे. That is also a very good example of rotating top. Spinning top. Spinning top. Okay. Apart from fan and apart from this merry-go-round, blades of merry-go-round, all these are the rotating. Then, okay, top, spinning top is also that correct. Now, if I am moving around myself, what kind of motion is this? I am moving around myself. What kind of motion? Wheels, who has written, Sonakshi Trivedi has written, fan of cooler, wheels of bicycle, any vehicle, they are also rotating itself. Tornado. Here, suppose I am moving around in myself. What kind of motion is this? Can you compare this with the spinning top? Can you compare this with the rotating fan? The rotating blades of the merry-go-round? I am moving around myself. What kind of motion is that? That is rotation. Okay. So this is the first type of movement which is shown by the earth. You told very correct examples that you are observing in your surrounding every day. Okay, may it be fan or spinning top or the blades of the merry-go-round, all they are rotating. Rotating means they are moving around itself. Such kind of motion is known as rotation. Suppose I move like this. What kind of motion is this? That is rotation. In the same manner, Earth is also rotating around itself. But just think an imaginary axis passing through the Earth. It is rotating around itself. Now the next question: how many hours Earth take to complete one rotation? How many hours Earth take to complete one rotation? Yes. Vanshika Saab, your correct answer. Sonakshi Trivedi, wrong answer. 6 over, it is a wrong answer. Then Shayashika Lee, only 24, that is wrong. You are writing only number magnitude, that is wrong. Along with that, you have to write the unit. So Sampati Kolkata wrote only 24. Shayashika Ghali has written only 24. 24 minutes, second. How? What it should be? Yarmin Dakare has written correct. Anand Rajulkar, Badavi, Patel, and Naika. 24 hours. Okay. So to complete one rotation, Earth takes 24 hours. Now in the very beginning, I told you that this rotation of the Earth results in, who has written 24 hours equal to 20, results in dash and dash. Rotation of the Earth results in dash and dash. Results in formation of dash and dash. Yes. Rotation of the Earth results in formation of dash and dash. Because while rotating, we will find the Earth, some part of the Earth is facing Sun, and the part opposite to that is not facing the Sun. What will happen to the part which is facing the Sun, and what will be there in the part which is not facing the Sun? Yes, I am waiting for your answer. Yes, Krishnam Maheshwari wrote correct. The part which is facing the Sun, what will be there? Day. Okay. And the part which is not facing the Sun, again correct answer, that is night. So, is it clear to all of you that it is the movement of the Earth, what? Rotation, that results in day and night. Okay. So, all of you are writing now day and night. That is correct. The part which is facing the Sun, that there we will find the day, and the part which is not facing the Sun, that there will be night. Again, while rotating the part which is not facing the Sun, again it will come in front of the Sun. Then that part gives you light. So we will say that there is day in that part, and in the part opposite to that there will be night. Okay. Now, apart from this rotation, the other movement is also shown by the Earth. What is that? Rotation, you give me different examples. That is rotating fan, rotating spinning, that is top movement of the hands of this merry-go-round. Apart from that, rotation, along with the rotation, She Dali has given the correct answer. The earth is also showing the other motion that is called evolution. Now, from your everyday life, can you give some example? For example, any example of such motion? For example, you know that suppose this is the chair and I am moving in elliptical orbit around this chair. मैं गोल गोल घूम रहा हूँ इस चेयर के गोल गोल elliptical orbit. मेरा मोशन कौन सा है? What kind of motion is this? I am moving around this chair in the elliptical orbit. What kind of motion is that? Yes. What kind of motion is that? Yes, all of you are written correct. Revolution. Okay. Now, for example, this sun is in the center here, and Earth is the path of the Earth is around the sun. Okay. Now it is moving in an elliptical orbit around the sun. That is revolution. Okay. Now you have seen that rotation of the earth causes day and night. Now it is not perfectly circular orbit where the earth is revolving around the sun. Here you will find it is coming near the sun, and while going here it is far from the sun. Again, you know its distance is going on changing from the sun. So it causes, yes, very correct answer. Evolution of Earth causes dash. Rotation you told very correct. Day and night. Revolution you tell of the Earth causes dash. Seasons. Very correct. Seasons. Okay, further questions. Now what we studied or last time. Suppose now these two movements we have seen in case of Earth, but don't think that only these two movements are there. We see variety of objects in our surrounding moving in different ways. Okay, now just tell me. Suppose there is a circular path and an athlete is running. You are in the center. Suppose here Akruti is standing and Krishna is running here on this circular path. What kind of motion is this? On the circular path, Krishna is moving, running. What kind of motion is this? What kind of motion? No, this is circular path. Here, this is an elliptical path. Okay, this revolution we are seeing, this is not exactly circular, but here I told it is circular means from the center, it is having the same distance. Akruti and Krishnam, their distance is same. R is the radius of this circle, and this is the circumference. It is having the exact R this much distance from the center. All these point on the circumference. So what kind of motion we will call it is? Circle is Krishna is running the circle. What kind of motion we will call it? Yes. What kind of motion we will call it then? It is a, from the word circle, you can give the name I give you. From the word circle only, the name of the motion we can write. What is that? What is that? circular motion. That is called circular motion. Okay. Now suppose the body is moving on the curved path or in the straight path. Suppose you are riding a bicycle on the straight road, on the straight line. From the word line, you will get the word motion, the name of the motion. I give the hint line. Straight line you are going. What kind of motion is that? You are moving on a straight line. No, no, not vibration. You are moving on a straight line. Ah, that is called linear motion. Okay, and circular path, circular motion. Moving around itself, rotation. Moving in the elliptical orbit around something, revolution. Now, while moving on the circular path, there is a curve, suppose. There is a curve like this. Okay, all the way it will not go straight. Sometimes some turnings are also there. So, curve is there. From the curve, what motion you can write down? What kind of motion will be there? Yes. What kind of motion will be there? There is a curve. You are going and then turning. What kind of motion will be there? Yes, yes, Shikali. Linear you told or straight. But now there is a curve. From that, from circle you wrote circular. See, in the word only we will get the answer. What is that motion? Curve path it is there. What is that motion? Hmm? Sonakshi Trivedi has written correct answer. Curvilinear motion. That is called curvilinear motion. Okay. Apart from that, you know that movement of the bob of the pendulum. Movement of the bob of the pendulum. To and fro motion, or you are swinging on the swing. Okay, it is going to coming to the mean position and going through A, O, B, and again O, B. So, what kind of motion? Movement of the bob of the pendulum. What kind of motion is that? If you are speaking in English, so what will you say for that bob is dash? Is it vibrating? Is it showing a linear motion? Is it what kind of motion it shows? I already used this word, that's why I am asking. Sonakshi has written correct. Little bit spelling mistake is there. No problem. We'll try again. Oscillatory motion. That is called oscillatory motion. For example, you are swinging on Jula, that is it goes to, then coming to the mean position back, again coming to the mean position flow, going flow to, then coming to the mean position, then to and fro motion about the mean position. That is called to and fro motion about the mean position. To and fro motion. Hello? To and fro motion about the mean position. We call it as oscillation. Now, someone has written, she wrote about vibration. Now you, all of you have these mobile also. Many times we keep this mobile in silent mode, but still we understand if some incoming is there by vibration of this mobile. Okay, so what is that actually? In vibration also to and fro motion is there, but it is very fast. Like you, if you take the rubber band and if you tie both the ends of this rubber band, this is point A fixed, and you plug the rubber band, the strings of the guitar. What we do, just we plug the strings of the guitar. That is also to and fro motion. To and fro motion is there, but very fast to and fro motion. That is called vibration. That is called very fast to and fro motion is known as vibration. Slow oscillation. So different types of motion are there, and you know that in this lesson attendance link Urvesh covered. Okay. Still time is there, Urvesh. Attendance link you need. But before that I will ask first question and then I will send you the attendance link. Because Urvesh Mohar needs attendance link. He wants to go somewhere. Urvesh, I will ask question. First question for Urvesh. Urvesh, give me answer. Day and night are caused due to dash of earth. Urvesh, due to dash movement of earth. Urvesh, then I will send you attendance link. Give this answer better. Day and night are caused due to dash movement of the earth. Shreya came in protection of Urvesh. Okay, Shreya Sunakshi, so ये दिया. I asked Urvesh, all other children they came and video. Okay, correct answer, rotation. Rotatory movement of the. Okay. Then second question I am asking. Seasons are caused. Urvesh, to answer. Are caused due to dash movement of the earth. Due to dash of the earth around sun. Around sun. Seasons are caused due to dash of the earth around sun. Yes, Shreya came in protection of Urvesh again. Urvesh, where are you? Forward. Revolution is correct answer. All of you have given correct answer. Revolution. Okay. Next one. Dash shows oscillatory motion. Give me one example. Dash shows oscillatory motion. What shows oscillatory motion? Give me one example. Pendulum. The bob of the pendulum. Shreya gave correct answer. Pendulum bob. It shows the oscillatory motion. Very good. Then fourth one. Dash movement or dash is an example of rectilinear motion, linear motion. Any one example? Dash is an example of rectilinear motion. Any one example you can give me? Rectilinear motion. Tanmay Vande is again telling, sir, please एग्जाम्पल बता दो बेटा तन्मय, रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन का एग्जाम्पल बताओ। आप सीधे you tell that yes road, straight road, you are moving on the straight road, highway, straight highway. For example, if she and his car is moving on the straight path, that is the rectilinear motion. Okay. Now, while going straight, suppose there is a turning, she in front there is turning. Then what kind of motion it will it be? शेषी कार एकदम सीधी जा रही है, लेकिन सामने एक टर्न है, सीधा ही थोड़ी रहेगा रास्ता, हाईवे में टर्न है, तो वो टर्निंग के मोशन को क्या कहेंगे? शेषी, there is turning in front, what we will call, what kind of motion is that? Curvilinear motion. Okay. Then, when the mobile is in the silent mode and some incoming call is there, still you know sometimes, isn't it? Due to what? Suppose mobile is in the silent mode. Till that, even that you know sometimes incoming call is there. How we? Yes. Sheshi Dani gave correct answer. That is vibration. Stringing guitar. That is the strings in the guitar. We vibrate. Isn't it? That vibration results in sound. Okay. So all these are the different types of motion you are going to study in higher classes. Lot about motion. This is enough in standard 4. Now attendance link I will send. Please fill the attendance link regularly because it will be you know your attendance will be there in your progress report card. And 70% attendance as usual is very important. You know very well. So this attendance.
In Google form the single
Ah,
so every day you have to update this na?
yes.
Then the difficult task.
It needs lot of sincere effort. Regular effort it needs.
Yes.
And many students are there who are not sending their answer sheets in Google Classroom, so it's kind request to all of such students to send in Google Classroom. उनका रिजल्ट मैं कल ही बता दूंगा, जिन्होंने Google Classroom में भेजा है उनका रिजल्ट मैं कल ही बता दूंगा। लेकिन बहुत सारे बच्चे वो भेजते नहीं Google Classroom में। Google Classroom is a good platform, the app, isn't it? Where all papers we can keep, we can check, everything we can do there. So it is kind request to all of you. I will tell you a result very soon tomorrow only if you send every paper in each and every paper in Google Classroom. You are sending somewhere in the WhatsApp group, then I have to search that. Somewhere it is there. So instead of that, if you send in the Google Classroom, every paper each and every will be there in that app only. So it's kind request to all of you to send in that proper app. If you are not sent yourself, I know that you have done that in WhatsApp group, but Google Classroom